So what I'm going to do here is show you how the URL requests work and appropriately how this whole thing handles certain requests and gives the information it needs. Everything's based off of the URL that's selected. So for example, when I pick home here, with the exception of the index, which just immediately goes to, which is still the home controller, but it selects index PHP. So default gives you this, gives you the home URL as an option. But as I click between subpage 2, if you look here, it picks the controllers, the home controller, and the view in this example is example2 PHP, and all it's picking is the body. It's a different body. It's got the same header and it's got the same footer, and then the body's the same. When we do pick a different controller, such as songs, we get a different list here. So we've got the controller songs, and this is the index PHP of the song. So I can select edit songs. If you look here, so I've got my controller songs, I've got my view edit songs, and I've got my action, which is an argument it can pass. So this selects a specific song out of the database according to a certain ID. So I can pick here, or I can take another action. So delete song. It just immediately redirects after deleting. But when I delete a song, if you can see down in the bottom corner there, it has songs, the controller, the view delete song, and then the argument, or the action delete song, excuse me. And then just the argument, which is the song number in the database, which is 4 in this case. Because if you look, I might not be able to see it, but between here and here, it skips from 5 to 7 because I deleted song index 6 in the database. And if you delete and add and you keep doing that and you don't re-index the songs, you're going to have all these pop marks where you're skipping a bunch of numbers. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show an add function and explain it. So I'm going to delete these really quick. All right, and I'm just going to redo this. So Andrew, sing myself a song, and we're just going to put this website as our URL. So I'm going to hit the submit button, but when I hit it, I have a form here, and the action it performs on the website is it selects the controller, and the action here is add song. So let's see what happens here. It doesn't pick a view, it adds the song. All right, so I submit, and look, it's submitted into the database. So it inserted this into the database. It sent this back. It sent this to the URL we were at, resubmitted it. And when it called the database to spit out all the lines of songs in the database, it listed the song we just submitted. So that's kind of cool. All right, so next up, I would like to go through the code and explain to you exactly how all these requests are made and handled inside the actual application. This is all the client side presentation right here. Let's see how it's done inside the actual code. I'll see you in the next video.